One second, everything's normal. The next, it's total destruction. These are the most brutal car crashes ever caught on camera. And trust me, each one gets crazier than the last. From high-speed disasters to unbelievable close calls, you won't believe how some of these drivers made it out alive. Stay tuned, because the final clip might be the most shocking footage we've ever shown. People just think they can do anything they want without consequences. This has to be the kind of crash I see the most often. What even happened here? Take notes not to do this, everyone. At least he didn't try to avoid the deer. One person not paying attention ruined everyone else's day. How do you try a U-turn without even looking? Welp, we have the dash cam of the idiot today shaking my head. This one is confusing. How does this happen? That was way too close for comfort. That's how chain reaction crashes happen. This is why we don't use our phones when driving people. Some people must be colorblind. I don't get it. This one is actually wild. Two people wanting to be in the same place at the same time. This is my worst nightmare, but as long as you don't panic, it's not that bad. Some people treat the road like a boxing ring. That's not a mistake. That's a choice. Come on, guys, really? I'll just let the clip do the talking. How did they manage to not see the car? Some people are just so impatient. Not even close. Or what are they doing? Any guess in the comments? These are starting to annoy me. It's even scarier when semi-drivers are on their phones. I think the first car was hiding the second car. Were they actively looking to crash into them? This is just so chaotic. I swear people don't understand how to drive. Not sure who would be at fault here. How are we still crashing into parked cars? You can tell this guy's in a hurry to go nowhere. Imagine if the deer jumped over them. I need a magnify glass to see what happened. That's going to be an expensive mistake. How do you not see the car right in front of you? Some people just shouldn't be behind the wheel. I think some blame should be on the people that are letting them cross. Both of them have zero reaction time. It looked like he was trying to slow down. LOL. We can see the red light this time. I think you are forgetting something. That's a first time seeing that. What am I even watching? You can't teach awareness. Some people just don't have it. This is just so stupid. Is this guy playing bumper cars? I'm going to spam some clips, so enjoy. That's all you get without me. 4 different angles. What car is this? Switched lanes, then tried to U-turn? Some people shouldn't have a license. It looks like he wanted to hit him. Another person who is on their phone. Hard to tell who is at fault. That's going to be a mess to clean up. Who would even be at fault here? Who doesn't love some back shots? Of course they are not paying attention. This is what happens when a tanker flips. A little hit and run action. This one is a bit confusing. I think both may be in the wrong. Wrong place at the wrong time for both people. kind of a silly accident. He's edging me. I could have sworn he was going to pull out. Why aren't we yielding to the traffic? He really couldn't wait 2 seconds, huh? Do people forget they have a lane when turning? You can tell he's not thinking about anyone but himself. Oh my God, I'm glad he ended up picking a lane. Could he not feel something off with his car? That was such a clutch save. I don't even think he did anything wrong, just unlucky. What is even going on here? This looks horrible. Well, there is a first time for everything, I guess. Dude just got speared from Prime Goldberg. No way we are running away from cops in that car. They came around the corner like they were in Fast and Furious. You can tell that guy has zero patience. What is the semi doing? Any guesses? Let me know what you think in the comments. One more second, and this could have been much scarier. He's driving like he owns the whole road. Some people need to retake their driving license test. They must have been in the semi's blind spot. When showing off costs you a bunch of money. I will never understand how people do this. This is making me so annoyed with how often I see this. Well then, first person on their phone today. How are we running into things that cannot move? I mean, he definitely is speeding and couldn't react in time. This is how people end up in compilations like this. That was inches away from being disastrous. So we just aren't looking left? Oh man, this guy's completely lost. I can't even explain what they might have been thinking. Can we stop hitting stuff that cannot even move? All that just to be one car ahead. This is why driving calm matters. Ah yes, let me just turn from the far lane. I mean, to be fair, he isn't in a lane. Bad drivers never miss an exit. Another person who refuses to miss their exit? People need to get off their phone. I mean, not much to say besides to drive with caution when it's raining. That was an unlucky surprise to be in the tunnel. He's not in control. His anger is. Please just go down to the next exit. Why do people get so mad when driving? Back-to-back clips of cars not checking their blind spots. Good thing he was paying attention. These car accidents annoy me so much. I don't even know what to say here, just an idiot that shouldn't be driving. Not even an ounce of thought going through their head. Just imagine he was like 50 feet ahead. This one confuses me. I have no clue what they were thinking. I guess they couldn't make up their mind in time. Is that a phone in their hand? It's so far away, it's hard to tell what happened. That's a bad combination of being impatient and not paying attention. People need to think before they do stupid things. I knew they were annoyed after that. This is why you should never panic when driving. Who do you all think is the biggest idiot of the day? Let me know in the comments, as well as if you want to see more. Make sure to like and subscribe.